Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. I'll be teaching another math lesson today, so make sure that your moms and dads help you find the Nevlin YouTube channel and that you watch my math lesson. Okay, today I'm going to read, Mama, how long will you love me? In a brambly forest, Sammy asked, How long will you be my mother? Always, said Mama. Underneath a big old elm, Sammy asked, Mama, how long will you love me? Always, Mama smiled. How long is always? Sammy asked. Miles and miles forever, said Mama. As high as a giant tree, as magical as a starry night, as wild as a windy day, as wondrous as winter snow, as tricky as an autumn mist, as soft as a cloudy sky, as slow as a sleepy noon. As light as a pink balloon, as fresh as a summer shower, as gentle as a springtime wing, as secret as a birthday wish, as far as the milky moon, as deep as the deep blue sea, as quiet as a falling star, as warm as a bedtime snuggle, as sweet as a honey kiss, as precious as you and me. Will there always be you and me? Asked Sammy. Miles and miles forever, whispered Mama. I really like this book. I hope you liked it too. Okay, so I'll talk to you tomorrow, everybody. Today in math, we're going to learn about making picture graphs. So on Monday, we learned about tally charts. And remember, we made tally marks for people's favorites. Today, we're going to draw pictures to go along with favorite winter activities. So we have sledding, ice skating, and hockey. Now, what I'd like you to do, because we're not at school, is I'd like you to ask your family at home to draw circles next to their favorite choices. So if they like sledding the most, you draw a circle there. If somebody likes ice skating the most, you draw a circle next to ice skating. If they like hockey the most, then you would draw a circle next to hockey. So I'd like you to have 5 circles total on your graph. Okay, just like it shows here. So on this graph, 2 people chose sledding, 2 chose ice skating, and 1 chose hockey. Okay, now on the next page, a graph shows information, or we call it data. A picture graph uses pictures to show data. You can use a tally chart to make a picture graph. So on the first tally chart, it says favorite apple color. So we have red, yellow, and green. So one person chose red. So in the tally chart, it's a tally mark. In the picture graph, you draw a circle or an apple. Now, 3 people chose yellow. So in the tally chart, it was 3 tally marks. In the picture graph, it's 3 apples for yellow. And then 2 people chose green. So in the tally chart, there are 2 green tally marks. In the picture graph, there are 2 apples. Okay, then complete the tally chart and picture graph. So number 1 says, write the totals in the tally chart. So the chart is about favorite shapes. So there are triangles, circles, and squares. So 5 people chose triangles, one person chose the circle and 3 people chose the square. So then at the bottom, number 2 says use the tally chart in exercise 1 to make a picture graph. So you look back at the tally chart to draw pictures that go in the picture graph. So 5 people chose triangles. So you're going to draw 5 circles, or you could draw, in this one you should probably draw 5 triangles next to triangle, because 5 people, we know from the tally chart, chose triangles. 1 person chose a circle. So you can draw a circle in the first box next to the word circle. And then 3 people chose the square. So draw 3 squares in 3 different boxes next to the word square. Now, I'd like you to do the very bottom. It's called Talk Math. It says, what is a picture graph? Describe it. So I want you to tell somebody at home what a picture graph is, and I want you to describe it to them. Okay, now we're on the next page. We're going to complete the tally chart and picture graph. I'm going to give you the directions, but I want you to do this at home. So number 3 says, write the totals in the tally chart. So count up the tally marks and then write the total in the column under total. This one is about favorite weather. So 2 people like sunny days, 6 people liked rainy days, and 5 people like cloudy days. So I want you to write the totals in the total column. Number 4 says, use the tally chart in exercise 3 to make a picture graph. So you're going to look at the favorite weather tally chart, and you're going to draw pictures next to sunny, rainy, and cloudy that go along with how many people picked each one as their favorite weather. Look back at the tally chart. Okay, now on the last page, it says complete the picture graph. Miguel asked his friends, to name their favorite pet. 3 people liked fish, 2 fewer people liked cats, 4 people liked dogs. So I want you to think really carefully about the story, and then you're going to complete the picture graph. You can draw circles if you'd like. If you'd like to draw dogs, cats, and fish, you can do that. Okay, at the bottom, how does a picture show a number on the graph? I want you to write it out, explain it. Then I want you to explain it to somebody at home. How does a picture show a number on the graph? I want you to explain it. Okay, have a good day, everybody.